In the acute darkness of the pandemic, the only beacon of hope is light, light of education. Wish all of you a very good morning or good afternoon or good evening whenever you are watching this video. Since you know that exams are knocking at the door and we know how much difficult it is to write the 40 marks exams with lengthy and complex calculation, that too in just 90 minutes. So how would it be if I will show you the way to get the difficult problems done in a very easy way? Today I will discuss about mental calculations that will help you to solve the problems faster and in easier way. So without any more ado, let's begin. My channel is I Love Mathematics, I Love Math Others. Okay, this is a mathematics MCQ suggestion paper. You can consider it as your semester 1 suggestion paper. Okay, so let's start. This is your first question. In the given figure, PQ and RS are perpendicular on base QT. Okay, QT is the base and PQ and RS are perpendicular to QT. If RS is 3 cm, given that if RS is 3 cm and QS this length is 4 cm and QT is 8 cm, QT the whole length of this base is 8 cm, then you have to find the value of PQ. So this problem is coming from similarity chapter and you can solve it by visualization. Okay, you can solve it by visualization. The full length of this base is 8 and QS, the small part, is 4 cm. So remaining ST is again 4 cm since the full length is 8 cm. Now consider this small triangle. For this triangle, the ratio of this perpendicular and base is 3:4. Since you know this, the larger triangle and the smaller triangle are similar to each other. So here must be the ratio of this perpendicular PQ and the base QT. Follow this ratio 3/4. Now here QT is 8. QT is 8. So 8, how can we get 8? How can you get 8? Just multiply 4/2. So in the similar way, you have to multiply 3/2. You get 6. So the length of PQ must be 6 cm. Length of PQ must be 6 cm. So from your visualization, you can solve this problem without any more lengthy calculation. Okay. So here option A is 6 cm. So option A will be the right answer. Okay. Since both smaller and bigger triangle are similar to each other, so that their sides ratios must be equal. Okay, corresponding sides ratios. Now the second problem, the maximum value of 25 minus modulus of 2 plus 3x. Okay, this question is coming from inequality and this is a important question for your exam. Okay, so 25 minus modulus of 2 plus 3x, and you know that the value of anything modulus A is greater or equal to 0 for all value of A. For any real number modulus gives us a positive value. Okay, mod always positive. So since these minus symbols are present here, so any positive value when subtract from 25, if this positive value is larger, then this total value must be smaller. So when you consider this as 0, when you consider the value of this modulus is 0, then this will give you the value of this expression 25 minus of modulus of 2 plus 3x must be become 25 minus 0, that is 25. And this is the largest value, this is the maximum value. Since if you consider 2 plus 3x, value of 2 plus 3x is 1, then now put this value 1 here, you get 25 minus 1 and this becomes smaller. Since minus symbol is present here, the value 2 plus 3x which become larger can deduce the value of this expression. Okay, that's why we take the value of this modulus 0 to make this expression maximum, and the maximum value of this expression become 25. So your option B will be your answer. Option B will be your answer. Okay, 25 minus 0 is 25. Since minus symbol is present here, so when you put a larger number here, this reduce 25. This can reduce 25. That's why you put the smallest value of this modulus, and you know the smallest value of this modulus is 0. 25 minus 0 is 25 will be your answer. I think this will be clear. Okay, now let's start question number 3. This problem is if x minus 2y, y, x, 3 is equal to minus 4, 1, minus 2 and 3, then the value of x and y are. You have to find the value of x and y. This problem is coming from matrix, and in this problem there is no need to compare this relation. There is no need to compare this relation. Okay, just compare y with this A12 element of the right hand side matrix. You get y equal to 1. And compare the A21 element of left hand side matrix with the A21 element of the right hand side element, you get x equal to minus 2. So your answer will be value of x will be minus 2 and value of y will be 1. Okay, so option A will be your answer. Option A will be your answer. Okay, now question number 4. The solution of the set minus 1 less equal to 3 plus 4x less than 27, where x belongs to whole number. Okay, now this comes from again inequality. Okay, linear inequations. Now from there you get two linear inequation. One is minus 1 is less than equal to 3 plus 4x. From this you get just take this 3 in the left hand side, you get minus 1 and minus 3 is less equal to 4x. Or you can conclude minus 4 is less equal to 4x. Or you can tell minus 1 is less equal to x. That is x is greater than equal to minus 1. X must be greater than equal to minus 1. And now consider the second linear equation. You get 3 plus 4x is less than 27, or 4x is less than 27 minus 3, or 4x is less than 24. This gives you x is less than 6. X is less than 6. Now x belongs to whole number. You know set of whole number means 0, 1, 2 and so on up to positive infinity. Okay, set of whole number will start from 0. So there is no need to take this minus 1 in your solution set. So your solution set will start from 0. Since x belongs to whole number, always see this. This is mandatory for your answer. Okay, if nothing is mentioned here, then you can consider minus 1. Since they mention x belongs to whole number, so you have to start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and last one is 5. Since x is less than 6, so you take 5 last number. Okay, so your solution set will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will mention in option C. So your answer will be option C. Okay. Okay. Now take this fifth problem. Already we solved 4 problems within 6 or 7 minutes. Okay. Now let's start the fifth problem. This is if 2x minus 2, 5, 5x plus 5 are three consecutive terms of an AP arithmetic progress, then find the value of x. Okay. You know, for AP common difference always equal, and what is common difference? Second term minus first term is called common difference. Second term minus first term. Okay. Again, third term minus second term is also your common difference. Third term minus second term, okay, must be your common difference. Now, second term is 5, first term is 2x. Since this is in AP, so common difference must be equal. The difference between this term must be equal the difference between this term, isn't it? So, just put this third term minus second term. Now, this 5 is cancelled and this become 5 minus 2x plus 2. Okay, 5 minus 2x plus 2 equal to 5x, or you can tell that 7 equal to 7x, therefore x equal to 1. You get the value of x as 1. So option D will be your answer. Now you can put this option in your question, that 2 into 1 minus 2, that gives you 0. This is 5 and this is 5 into 1 plus 5 gives you 10. So you see this one AP and common difference is 5. Okay. So there two procedure are discussed. One is a basic procedure and other is option test. You can solve it by using any one of this procedure. Okay. Now fifth problem, that is, a dealer in Mumbai supplies goods and services worth rupees 5,000 to the another dealer in Pune. In this problem, if the rate of GST is 16%, then the tax levied under CGST, SGST and IGST respectively are. Okay. Now you have to see this. Mumbai and Pune are within a same state, that is Maharashtra. So there will be IGST is 0, that is nil. Okay. IGST will be nil. So from option test you can consider this one is nil. Okay. Now 16% is the total GST. You know CGST and SGST are same. So 8% is CGST and 8% will be SGST. SGST will be 8%. Central GST is 8% and state GST will be 8%. Now how can you calculate this 8% of 5,000? 8% of 5,000. There is the easiest way. Just remove this 0 from the right hand side and multiply 8 with 50. You get 400. Okay. For this percentage calculation, just remove these 2 zeros from this right hand side and then multiply this. Okay. So if both are 8%, so CGST is 400, SGST is 400 and IGST is nil. So option A will be your answer. Option A will be your answer. Okay. Now question number 7, the mean proportion between 16 and 9. Like this problem, mean proportion, this is coming from proportion chapter. Mean proportion always root over of 16 into root over of 9. Just square root this both boundary terms and then product them. Square root them, then product them. You get 12. So option B will be your answer. Okay. So square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 9 is 3. So 4 into 3 is 12, your answer. Now question number 8. Mr. Singh opened a RD account, recurrent deposit account, for 2 years and deposited rupees 2,500 per month. At the time of maturity, he got 67,000. The total interest earned by him during this period. So we have to find his principal. He can deposit 2,500 each month, and 2 years. 2 years means how many months? 2 into 12 months. In this calculation, you can using this shortcut. Put this 0 here. Okay. Now 25 to the 50. Put this 0 here. Again, you get 5. 5 12 the 60. So your principal is 60,000 and your amount is 67,000. Therefore, your interest earned is 67,000 minus 60,000, that is 7,000. So your answer will be 7,000. That is option A. Rupees 7,000 will be his interest. Okay. Now question number 9. Question number 9. Which is a factor of x square plus 4x plus 3? Okay, x square plus 4x plus 3. You know 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. So here 3, 1 and 3 will be two roots of these equations. Okay, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So x plus 1 and 1 and 3 are the factor of 3, and your root become -1 and -3. Okay, sorry, I just taking sorry. Now your factor will be x plus 1 and x plus 3. Since x plus 1 and x plus 3, when you multiply this, you get x square plus 4x plus 3. Now your option A will be the factor of this. X plus 1 will be the factor of this expression, okay. Now question number 10. When px equal to x cube minus 3x square, px is given x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 1 is divided by x plus 2, then you have to find the remainder. So for this, when you divide it by x plus 2, your remainder will be p of minus 2. Your remainder, since you can consider x of minus 2, x plus 2 as x minus of minus 2. So minus 2 cube, just put minus 2 in this expression, you get minus 2 cube minus 3 into minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 1. Okay. So minus 2 cube is minus 8, minus 2 square is plus 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Again 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 plus 1. So this become minus 28 plus 1, that is minus 27. So your answer will be minus 27, that is option C. Okay. When you divide this by x plus 2, you get minus 27 as your remainder. Now I gave you a homework. I give you this homework is the root of this quadratic equation 21x square minus 8x minus 4 equal to 0. You have to find the root of this quadratic equation and choose any option from this 4 option. You can solve it and write the answer in your comment in our channel comment section. Okay, just write this answer in our channel's comment section. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you want this kind of video is helpful for you, then you can like this video, share this video with your friends in any kind of social medias like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Insta, anywhere, and you can follow our channel by subscribe our channel. My channel name is I Love Maths Ardhas. Okay, so we'll meet very soon. Take care. Goodbye. Best of luck for your exam.